The next question. Shalom Kudrov. Are we allowed to answer to a bad insinuation from an idolater about Klal Yisrael or Israel to quote this pasuk of this week's Parashah that I will bless those who Avraham bless you, and him who curses you I will curse.
Mm-hmm.
In Bereshit 12:3.
Yeah.
Or could that be desecrating the Holy Torah? Thank you very much for the.
I don't think it's a desecrating of Torah or the Torah. I actually was, believe it or not, I don't know who asked this question. I had this idea today because one of the video went viral, Baruch HaShem, about, as I said, about Satan. And all of these Muslims, they're actually cursing us non-stop. Maybe today, blocked maybe 25, 30 people. Because like others, like not without cursing, I left, but the one who curses, I just block. So, and I was thinking to put this first, but I don't want to give them the stage. Like just keep them away, basically, right? But there is that's the right verse. Whoever is going to curse you is going to be cursed, right? And whoever is going to bless you is going to be blessed. Okay. I think one second. We have to check the verse. I think whoever is blessed is going to be blessed. Whoever is cursed is like that's how Bilam started. I don't remember this this Rashi, but Bilam and Avraham started opposite. Maybe Avraham said curse. Oh no. So I did not get to the weekly Parashah the way I remember. So Avraham said actually from cursing and then finished with blessing. So, and I think Rashi, if I remember correctly. So Rashi said, or the commentary said, that that's how the righteous person sees this life. So this life is a curse, meaning full of problems, agonies, full of tests. But the next, like after that, comes a blessing, right? Blessing in the next world. So and wicked people is actually opposite. It's a Bilam. So he wanted a blessing in this life, maybe and enjoy this life, and the next life is obvious for what they're going to deserve. Okay. What else?
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.